Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem that is a to the power x minus 6 times x is equal to 0. So here we have to find all possible values of x. Let's start our solution. First of all, we are going to just shift this minus 6x to our right hand side. So we have a to the power x will be 6 times x. It will be positive. So here, if we divide a to the power x on both hand side, so here it will be a to the power x over a to the power x is equal to 6 times x over a to the power x. Here on our left hand side, this a to the power x is cancelled out with a to the power x. So here we get 1 that is equal to 6 times x times 1 over a to the power x. So here 1 is equal to 6 times x, and this 1 over a to the power x can be written as we know that by algebraic identity, if we have 1 over a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus n. So applying here, then we get a to the power minus x. Now here, if we just divide this 6 on both hand side, so dividing by 6 on both hand side, so here this 6 is cancelled out. We get, if we just write this to our left hand side, that is x times a to the power minus x is equal to 1 over 6. 1 over 6. Now we have to solve the value of x. So here we see that on our left hand side we can use Lambert W function. So according to Lambert W function, as we know that Lambert W function is given by that Lambert W function times a times e to the power a is equal to a. So in this function we see that this expression and this one is same, so we have to just make this one and this exponent is same. So here we see that here we have positive x and it is negative x. So first of all we have to multiply by minus 1 on both hand side. So multiplying by minus 1 to our left hand side and similarly to our right hand side. So here we get the same exponent, but in Lambert W function we have to use exponential. So here that minus x times a to the power minus x can also be written as we know that if we have a to the power natural log of a, it is equal to a. So here e to the power natural log of 8 will be equal to 8. So we just write this a to the power minus x like minus x times e to the power natural log of 8 and whole to the power this minus x is equal to minus 1 over 6. Now according to algebraic identity, minus x times e to the power here minus x times natural log of 8, that is equal to minus 1 over 6. Here we just use this property here that if we have a to the power m whole to the power n, then it is equal to a to the power m times n. Now here we have this minus x times e to the power minus x natural log of 8. So as we have to make this exponent and this expression is same, so here we have minus x but we don't have this natural log of 8. Now multiplying natural log of 8 on both hand side, then we get minus x times natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8 is equal to minus 1 over 6 natural log of 8. So we have multiplied natural log of 8 on both hand side. So here we have this expression and this one is same. Now we are going to work on our right hand side here. So it will be the same, that is minus x times natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8 is equal to. Now this minus 1 over 6 can also be written as that minus 1 over 6 is equal to minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 3. So here we have minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 times natural log of 8. Here it is equal to minus 1 over 2 And as we know that by logarithm law, that if we have m times natural log of a, it is equal to natural log of a to the power m. So here we are going to shift this 1 over 3 here. So we get minus 1 over 2 times natural log of 8 to the power 1 over 3. Here this 8 can also be written as that 2 cubed. So minus 1 over 2 times natural log of 2 cubed whole to the power 1 over 3. Now this 3 is cancelled out with 3. We get minus 1 over 2 times natural log of 2. So our left hand side is minus x times natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8. Our next step will be now here minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8 is equal to, now this minus 1 over 2 can also be written as 1 over 2 times minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over 2 and times natural log of 2. Now using the previous logarithm law, then this minus 1 can be shifted here. So we have 1 over 2 times natural log of 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1. Here we have, as we know that if we have a to the power minus n, it will be equal to 1 over a to the power n. So here we have 1 over 2 natural log of this 2 to the power minus 1 will be 1 over 2. Now we have to just use here that it is our natural log of 1 over 2. Our left hand side is minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8. So now this 1 over 2 can also be written as e to the power natural log of 1 over 2, that is equal to 1 over 2. So here we write that this 1 over 2 is e to the power natural log of 1 over 2 times this natural log of 1 over 2. Now our left hand side is minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8 is equal to, if we just rearrange that, natural log of 1 over 2 times e to the power natural log of 1 over 2. Now we see that this expression and this one is same. Similarly on our right hand side, this expression and this is the same expression. So we have to use lambda w function. Now applying lambda w function on both hand side. So here we have lambda w function times, it is our left hand side, and here we have our right hand side, that using lambda w function. So now here this minus x natural log of 8 and this minus x natural log of 8 is same. So we have minus x natural log of 8 is equal to, here we have the same expressions here on in our exponent. So we get natural log of 1 over 2. Now minus x natural log of 8 is 2 cubed and natural log of 1 over 2 can be written as 2 to the power minus 1. Now applying that is natural log law, which is, we know that according to Power's law, we have that if we have natural log of a to the power m, it is equal to m natural log of a. So here we have that this 3 is shifted, so we get minus 3x times natural log of 2, that is equal to minus 1 natural log of 2. So this natural log of 2 is cancelled on both hand side, and this negative sign is also cancelled on both hand side. So we get here that is 3 times x is equal to, here we have 1, so x is equal to 1 over 3. It is the value of x. So here we can also find the second solution of this one. So let's say it is x1, that is 1 over 3. Now here if we just use this equation here, that is this one minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8, so equal to this one. Now we are going to find another solution. that is second solution here. So for second solution we have to use above equation, that is minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8 is equal to e to the power natural log of 1 over 2 times natural log of 1 over 2. So here we have this equation. Now so if we just write that minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8, that is equal to, it can also be written as 1 over 2 natural log of 1 over 2, as we have this equation here. So I have used this one. Now from this equation we can find another solution for this problem. So here if we just multiply and divide 4 on our right hand side, then we get 1 over 2 natural log of 1 over 2. Now this 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4 is cancelled, so we get 2 over 4. Here we get 2 over 4 times natural log of 1 over 2. Now this 2 over 4 can be written as 1 over 4 times 2 times natural log of 1 over 2. Now if we shift this 2 here, then we will get 1 over 4 times natural log of 1 over 2 whole squared. Here we have that this 1 over 4 is also, and that 1 over 4 times natural log of 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 4. Now here we can use that lambda w function. So for this purpose we have to just write that exponential here. So this 1 over 4 can be written as that e to the power natural log of 1 over 4 times this is natural log of 1 over 4. So here we have our next step is natural log of 1 over 4 times e to the power natural log of 1 over 4. Now we have the same expressions here, that our left hand side is minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8. Now our next step will be, now here we see that these expressions are same, so we can use lambda w function. According to lambda w function, we know that lambda w function times a times e to the power a is equal to a. So here lambda w function times our left hand side minus x natural log of 8 times e to the power minus x natural log of 8 is equal to lambda w function times natural log of 1 over 4 times e to the power natural log of, that is 1 over 4. Now we have the same expressions. Here we get minus x natural log of 8 is equal to natural log of 1 over 4. So natural log of 8 can be written as minus x natural log of 2 cubed is equal to, here we have natural log of this 1 over 4 can also be written as 4 to the power minus 1. So here we have that if we use logarithm law, here we get minus 3 times x natural log of 2, that is equal to natural log of this 4 is written as 2 squared, and then 2 squared 2 times minus 1 we get minus 2. Now minus 3 times x natural log of 2 is equal to, shifting this one we get minus 2 natural log of 2. Now this natural log of 2 is cancelled on both hand side. We get this negative sign is also cancelled. We get 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 over 3. It is our second solution of this problem, that we get two solution here. Here we have x1, that is 1 over 3, and x2 is 2 over 3. So these are our two values for this problem. So here we can also verify our problem by using these two values here. So let's check our problem for these values. So when Here we have value of x is 1 over 3, and here we have value of x is 2 over 3. Now recall our problem, which is a to the power x minus 6 times x is equal to 0. So here 8 can be written as 2 cubed, and times the value of x is 1 over 3 minus 6 times value of x is 1 over 3. Is it equal to 0? Here this 3 is cancelled. We get 2 minus 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 times 1 is 2. Is it equal to 0? So yes, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Positive and negative can be cancelled. We get 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, when x is equal to 2 over 3, we have a to the power x minus 6 times x is equal to 0. So a to the power 2 over 3 minus 6 times 2 over 3, is it equal to 0? So here we get 2 cubed times 2 over 3 minus 3 2s are 6, so we have 2 times 2 is 4. Is it equal to 0? So here we have this 3 is cancelled. 2 squared is 4 minus 4. Is it equal to 0? And yes, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 is equal to 0. Hence we prove that these two values of x are valid for this problem. So we get our final answer that x is 1 over 3 and x is 2 over 3. Now we are going to review our problem step by step here. I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.